I recently acquired a 3D printer power supply and noticed its fan was running really loud. While a new replacement fan is already on order and waiting for delivery, I figured I'd try lubricating this old one. It just might buy me a few more months of quiet operation. Taking a closer look at the terminals on this particular power supply unit, they are neatly organized and separated into three distinct sections. The AC input terminals and the DC output terminals, clearly marked for positive and negative. Okay, let's quickly power on the unit now. You can distinctly hear that noticeable humming sound coming from the fan. Alright, let's go ahead and take this power supply apart to see if we can lubricate that noisy fan. So, here's a first look at the internal components of this power supply. From what I can see, it appears quite well made. Now, we need to carefully peel off the sticker located on the back of the fan, and this will give us access to the central shaft and bearing of the fan motor. You can lubricate this shaft with any light silicone-based grease you might have on hand, or just a drop of regular light machine or motor oil. I'll just use a tiny dab of silicone grease here, and then start the process of putting everything back together. Alright, just finishing up the physical assembly now. Let's reconnect everything and power up the block. Excellent! You can no longer hear that loud humming noise from the fan. To double check that everything is functioning correctly after the repair, you could verify the voltage either at the input or the output terminals. The output voltage should be around 12 volts as seen in the video, and the input around 220 volts. So, hopefully with this simple lubrication method, the fan on this power supply might work quietly for several more months. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if this was helpful. Thanks for watching today.